Have you ever tried designing a research poster or a large format presentation in PowerPoint, only to realize the slide size doesn't fit the poster dimensions you need? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to format your PowerPoint slide into a perfect A0 poster size in inches for 2025. It's quick, accurate, and once you know this trick, you can set up any poster layout like a pro. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. You can either use a blank presentation or open the one you're already working on. Once it's open, look at the top menu and click on the Design tab. This tab controls everything related to how your slides look: themes, layouts, and most importantly for today, slide size. Now, move your attention to the far right of the Design toolbar and click on Slide Size. A small drop-down menu will appear. Select Custom Slide Size. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see two boxes labeled width and height. To format your slide to A0 poster size, enter these exact measurements: width 33.1 inches, height 46.8 inches. These dimensions perfectly match the A0 standard, ensuring your poster prints at full scale without distortion. Next, look for the orientation section. Since A0 posters are usually displayed vertically, select Portrait Orientation. Of course, if your design works better horizontally, you can choose Landscape, but Portrait is the most common for conferences and academic displays. Once you've set everything, click OK to apply your changes. PowerPoint might ask whether you want to maximize or ensure fit. If you already have content on your slide, select Ensure Fit to prevent anything from being cut off. If you're starting fresh, you can safely choose Maximize. And that's it. Your PowerPoint slide is now formatted to A0 size in inches, ready for you to design your poster layout, from text boxes and charts to high-resolution images. Before you go, don't forget to save your presentation to lock in the new dimensions. And here's a quick pro tip. Always design in full resolution to keep your images crisp when printing. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future PowerPoint and design tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck creating your next stunning poster.